I think it would be kind of cool to maybe pit different AIs against each other, ask for investment advice from more than one AI, and maybe even we each do our own separate AI question through a totally different, like we've got ChatGPT or Grok or Gemini or all these different, and maybe we try different strategies and see which one works out. And then maybe I buy Grok recommendations and you buy, Gemini recommendations or whatever.
To recap, you keep selling before me and getting more money.
Yes, accurate.
And that makes me angry. But
makes me happy.
For a real recap.
Yeah. So we sold Solana a while back. It passed 20%. So we sold it because that was the threshold we had set. And I think I made, I don't know, whatever it was, a little over $5, but percentage wise, it was up over 20%, which is great. So we sold that one. And then got another alert recently that Palantir also passed 20% growth since we had purchased it. And so we sold that one too. I saw the notification, it popped up, and I sold it, texted you, you sold it. Yep. And so we both sold it. I mean, we both profited. I made slightly more, which is a good thing. But I made $6.40 on that one. We put $30 in it, and I sold it at $36.40 basically, with the 20% growth. So really, really, again, percentage wise, little bit of money, but percentage wise, huge growth. And that was all thanks to ChatGPT's recommendation.
Yep.
And I still have Nvidia. I can do an Nvidia update real quick.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, so I bought Nvidia, Matt did not. And so since I've purchased it, it's up about 4.5%, it looks like. It did have a dip over the last week. There was a bit of a dip. And so it did drop a little bit, but it has started to recover, and the trend is back up pretty nicely. Yeah, back on July 22nd, which is kind of when everything dropped that day. GM earnings report, I think, announcement. The Nvidia went just like everything else, but it slowly recovered back. And so, I mean, it was down at 165 a share, and now it's at 173 a share. So it's recovering pretty well. But again, I'm up about 4.5% or so since I bought it. So still to the good.
Yeah. Good for you.
Yeah.
You're doing well.
Yeah, not bad. I feel pretty good about it.
Yeah.
And we both are doing well for the other two. I mean, outside of Nvidia, the other ones that we purchased together at the same time, two of the three.
Coinbase is not doing well.
No, the original two. Yeah,
Oh,
Coinbase.
okay.
Yeah, we should talk about Coinbase. Let's talk about Coinbase because no, it's not doing well.
But Palantir keeps going up.
Yes, it does.
And we don't have any more.
No, we sold that. Which I don't love. I kind of want to buy it again. It seems like it's going well for Palantir. So yeah, I definitely am into it. But yeah, Coinbase is not doing well. So as of time of recording here, it's around $3.92 a share. It's been kind of not, it's just been trending down, really. I mean, over the last week, I mean, it's still up over a month ago, but over the last week, it's down 6.5%.
Yeah, it's not looking great. I don't like seeing red.
No, and like over the course of a week, a very just steady drop is, definitely not what you want to see. But, we're down 6.5%. Yeah. At this point. Yep. So we bought more of this, right?
Like we put more in?
No, like when we originally bought it. How much did we buy? Yeah, we only have like 0.15 of a share, right? Yeah. That's right. So again, but we're down about 6.5%, which is like $4 and change, down from when we actually purchased it. So that one has been a bit of a miss, unfortunately.
Now, what to do today?
Yeah, good question. I guess we got to buy more stuff.
Yeah.
Because we've sold a couple.
Right. What was your plan for today?
Well, I was thinking it might be kind of fun to mix it up a little bit with AI recommendations. And rather than just continuing to ask ChatGPT for new recommendations, we can still do that. But I think it would be kind of cool to maybe pit different AIs against each other and ask for investment advice from more than one AI, and maybe even we each do our own separate AI question through a totally different, like we've got ChatGPT or Grok or Gemini or all these different, and maybe we try different strategies and see which one works out. And then maybe I buy Grok recommendations and you buy, Gemini recommendations or whatever. So that was kind of the thought. Could be
I'm
fun.
gonna be honest with you. I've never used anything but ChatGPT.
Okay, yeah.
So I don't even know how to use the other one.
It's the same. It's
You
very,
just go to the
very.
website?
I think so. Yeah, I think you just kind of go to the website. I mean, I've done it on my phone, but they have a website, of course, as well. And so, for example, I just went into Grok right here, and so I'm on Grok's website, and I mean, look at it. I mean, it's just a white screen with a box, and it's like, hey, ask your question.
I mean, what did you type in?
I just Googled Grok AI.
Okay.
Yep. So it brought me to the Grok's website, and it has the same thing. There's an AI an AI image generator, an AI search engine. There's a YouTube analyzer. I mean, there's all kinds of stuff. Plagiarism checker. That's interesting. So there's all these different tools and stuff that it has, but it's essentially the same. I think you have to still sign in, of course, like I signed in just with my Google account.
That's what I'm trying to do right now.
Yeah. And then once you're in, it literally just presents you with a box to type in your query, just like ChatGPT.
Okay, what's another one? Because I don't want to use Grok because it's driving me nuts.
Yeah. Well, you can try Gemini. I've never tried Gemini on a computer. I have a Google phone, so I have Gemini just built in on the phone.
Okay.
But I'm sure there's probably a website as well. Yeah, just like Google Gemini AI. Yeah.
Okay, cool. I'm gonna use Gemini.
Cool. Yeah, perfect. Okay, well then I'll use Grok since I already have it pulled up anyway. I'll use Grok.
Okay.
So now I think we need to literally type the exact same message in,
Okay.
the exact same prompt, whatever that is.
Okay.
Boom, hit enter, and then let's just see what it recommends. And then we see if they're the same, if they're different, and then we can decide
What to do?
Yep. So
Yeah.
what's the prompt?
I don't. It looks like you started typing.
Well, I was going to start typing and I was going to say like, my friend and I started a YouTube channel asking for, AI investment.
So basically,
ideas.
ask what we asked.
Yeah.
At the very beginning, and I'm trying to remember what that was. Shoot.
Or we can just say, well, no, we can say, my friend and I started a YouTube channel based on AI recommended stock, investing in AI recommended stock.
Yes.
We're ready to invest more. What do you suggest? Something simple like that?
Yes.
So my friend and I started a YouTube channel based on asking AI to give us advice on what we should invest our money in. We are ready for the next round of recommendations. What do you suggest? Thoughts?
Recommendations. What do you suggest? My friend and I started a YouTube channel asking AI to give us advice on what we should invest our money in. We are ready for the next round of recommendations. What do you suggest? Limit to $100.
Yeah, 100. Should we say limit to $100, no more than 2 or 3? Because we did 3 before, but we still have a couple. Should we do like 2?
2
stock recommendations?
Limit
to $100.
Limit to $100, comma, no more than 2 stock recommendations.
Okay. Good?
Good.
Maybe we need to type more. See what happens?
See what happens. We did that at the same time.
Literally. Okay. Interesting. So Grok recommended. Do you want me to do mine first?
Yes.
Okay. That sounds like a fun and engaging channel concept. Here are 2 investment ideas within your $100 limit. 1, index fund or ETF, and it recommends VOO. We still have that. That's our baseline sort of that like
That's
long
like our
term.
401k.
Yeah, it's a long-term
Yeah.
investment, right? So obviously we're not going to do that. So we'll, I'll say here in a second, we already have that. We want something else. The second option was individual stock. If you prefer a single company focus, look into a well-established company with steady growth potential. For example, Apple or Microsoft. Often have affordable fractional share options through many brokerages, allowing you to buy a portion of a share within your budget. So those were, what's your first initial kickback from Gemini?
So I will say, well, how did yours start?
That sounds like a fun and engaging channel concept.
Yes, and ChatGPT did the same thing.
Yeah, very similar.
Gemini, no.
No?
It was given your budget of $100 and the request for no more than 2 stock recommendations. Exchange trade funds, ETFs are an excellent choice.
Yep.
Here's why and what I suggest.
Is VOO one of them?
So it says why ETFs for a $100 budget, diversification instead of buying just 1 or 2 individual stocks, which can be risky with a small budget. ETFs allow you to invest in a basket of many different stocks. This diversification spreads out your risk significantly. Do you say something like that?
Mine says, mine's shorter, but essentially it says, these funds offer diversification across many stocks, reducing risk, and are suitable for a small investment. You might be able to purchase fractional shares if available.
Affordability. Many popular and highly diverse ETFs trade for under $100 per share, or you can often buy fractional shares through most modern brokerage accounts.
It's literally the same thing.
Simplicity. ETFs are easy to buy and sell, similar to individual stocks. Low cost. Most broad market ETFs have very low expense ratios, meaning a tiny percentage of your investment goes towards fees. Recommendations. Vanguard. 500.
Yep, that's the one we already have.
VO, yes. So yeah, it tells me why. We
Yep.
already know why. My second is Invesco QQQ Trust.
But that sounds like another. What is it?
Why? The ETF tracks the NASDAQ 100 index, which consists of the 100 largest non-financial companies listed on the NASDAQ stock market. Blah blah. Why it's good for $100. Similar to VOO, Q share price is currently above $100, around blah, blah, 558 share. But fractional share investing allows you to allocate your 100 to gain exposure. This ETF offers exposure to the innovative sector that has seen significant growth. It's not fun.
No, neither of these are fun. So our prompt, I think, again, the same, should be, we already have VOO. We want something with the potential for higher growth, or like higher risk and short-term growth, or what should we say? We already have VOO.
VOO.
Yep.
And honestly, these sound pretty boring for a YouTube video. Give me something entertaining.
Sounds good. Ready?
Yep.
Got it. For a more entertaining and attention-grabbing recommendation, here are 2 fun and potentially lucrative ideas within your $100 limit. Crypto Kids. Invest in a trending or meme-based cryptocurrency like Shiba Inu or Dogecoin. These are volatile and high risk, but they often generate buzz and can lead to entertaining content as you track their wild swings and community hype. You might be able to buy a small amount or fractional shares. And then number 2, emerging or hot stocks, the hype train. Look for a small cap or penny stock that's currently gaining attention on social media or forums like Reddit or TikTok. Pick a recent hot stock and see how it reacts to hype. Just be cautious. These can be very risky, but they make for exciting stories.
So what are your 2?
Well, basically one was crypto. So it recommended Shiba or Dogecoin, which are both kind of like meme coins essentially, right? And I already had Dogecoin. We talked about it, a long time ago, but I had it a long time ago. And then Shiba Inu was like another one that sort of came along after Dogecoin. And then the other one was look for penny stock, which obviously we can ask for a recommendation if we want to go that route. Because with penny stocks, they're super risky, but you can buy a lot with $100 because they're sometimes fractions of a cent.
Yeah.
What was your?
I am realizing how much I like ChatGPT.
Yeah.
It said, you're absolutely right. VO is foundational, but not exactly thrilling for a YouTube segment. Let's
True.
pivot to some more dynamic and talkable recommendations. And then it says, important YouTube disclaimer. For your video, always reiterate that these are higher risk recommendations that broad market, blah, blah. Okay, so recommendation 1, the AI Challenger or the chip upstart stock Advanced Micro Devices, AMD. Why it's entertaining. While Nvidia often dominates the AI chip conversation, AMD is a fierce competitor that has been consistently pushing boundaries. They are a true challenger brand in the high performance computing and AI space.
Wow. And it's growing. 3 months. It's up 75% over the last 3 months.
Okay.
AMD, I have an AMD chip in this computer. Wow.
Huh.
It's at $166 a share right now as of today.
The narrative here is about the underdog fighting for market share, innovation, and the future of technology. They're making strides in GPUs for AI, high-performance CPUs, and even custom chips for gaming consoles, PlayStation, Xbox.
Yep.
And then it's like the angle for your video. You can frame it as, is AMD the next Nvidia? Or the unsung hero of AI? Discuss their latest chip releases, partnerships, e.g. with the cloud providers, and how they are trying to carve out a bigger piece of the AI pie. Potential talking. Yeah. Recommendation 2, the future of energy, the green disruptor, Plug Power Inc. or Plug. Why it's entertaining. This is a much higher risk, higher reward play, and therefore potentially more entertaining for a YouTube audience. Hydrogen is often touted as a clean energy source for the future, capable of powering everything from forklifts to heavy-duty vehicles and even generating clean electricity. It's a speculative bet on a long-term energy transition.
So that one's interesting because Plug Power is $1.82 a share. So like this is not a penny stock, but I mean it's a cheapie.
Oh, this is fantastic.
Crazy. Looking at 3 months, it's up 82%. So in May, in the middle of May, it was basically 70 cents a share. And today it's 182 a share. So that's significant growth. Whew. That seems like a fun one. That's what I really kind of think we should do. It doesn't have to be this one. We can look at others too, but like ask for penny stock recommendations and just at least do one where we dump, maybe it's $50 or whatever in something that's just like fractional.
Yeah.
And because if it grows a little bit, $50 can turn into a lot of money. But it can also literally just go away and disappear also. So high risk, high reward.
So it was interesting what it said about it compared the other one to Nvidia.
AMD? Yeah, I mean, they're both chip makers.
And it kind of made me want to be like, what if I just get AMD?
Okay, I like it. Yes. AMD. You know, it's funny too, because if you look, so AMD right now, that's a really good idea. AMD is at $166 a share. Nvidia is at like 173, I think. Yeah, 173 a share. So I mean, they're very close together as far as how the per share cost. And I mean, God, Nvidia's been really growing over these last few months, but just the last like week, it's been kind of down a little bit. But that's kind of cool. I like this idea though. That might be a good idea.
Yeah.
That's actually the move. I think we just do it. I think you need to get into AMD.
Okay.
Maybe you buy AMD and then I'll keep my Nvidia since I already have that. And we'll obviously track that. But then for the other half or whatever other amount of money we want to do, maybe we find one of those penny stocks or one of those really low end stocks and get a whole bunch of shares of that one.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I'm thinking I want to add another caveat because I have this. I want to keep playing with just my initial investment.
Oh, sure. Yeah, that's fair. Yep.
Just to be like, this is how long it would actually take to get something reasonable.
Yeah,
for
that's fair.
$100.
Yep.
So I've got what, $37.
Mm-hmm.
Now,
that was from selling Palantir, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Now I could either just go do something with my 37, or I can get out of this freaking Coinbase.
I'm literally just thinking. I just typed that in Coinbase. I mean, we've lost money, but we've lost $4.
Yeah.
We didn't lose,
But I mean, it's just not been fun to watch.
No.
And I want to not. So, oh, by the way, can we do this right now? 7 p.m. on Sunday?
Oh, I don't know. Yeah, good point. Maybe not. So if it doesn't let us, you could try. Just like don't commit, but just hit it and see what happens. Probably not. Because if you sell, it may only let you sell whole shares, not fractional shares. And we only have fraction of a share. So it may not let us.
Your order will be queued for market open.
Yeah, which
means it
tomorrow
won't
morning.
give me my money to invest in.
Right. Probably.
Huh.
Probably.
Okay.
If I do so, you click sell all.
Yeah.
Yeah. Your order will be queued for market open and processed at the best available price.
Yeah.
And it's saying how much? Yeah, $60. Okay, because we both have exactly the same amount.
So I'm gonna sell coin. You're gonna sell coin?
Yeah, I think let's just both sell it. This sucks.
Yeah, I hate it.
Yeah,
I hate it.
I hate it too. All right, sell.
Done.
All right. Yeah, your market order is queued for market open. Okay, cool.
So we'll get that tomorrow.
Yep.
That leaves me with $37. 97 once.
Yeah, 97 exactly.
So
how much AMD do you want to buy? You gonna buy AMD?
I'm gonna buy AMD. I'll probably put the 60 tomorrow in AMD.
Good. That's perfect. Yep.
And we'll see how that plays out for me.
Okay.
And then my remaining $35, put it in a penny stock.
Yeah, I think so. Should we ask our AIs for one more penny stock recommendation?
Can you give us a penny stock recommendation? Question mark. Enter.
Sure. Penny stocks are highly speculative and risky. Okay. So mine was Sundial Growers, SNDL, a cannabis company that has experienced significant volatility and hype, often discussed on social media for its potential growth, making it a fun pick for the video. What about you?
Mine says, all right, you want a penny stock for entertainment? This is where we emphasize the entertainment aspect heavily, because with penny stocks, the line between excitement and extreme risk is very thin. Maybe a whole bunch of stuff like on why I should not or do that. Do not invest more than you can afford to lose. Like everything is
Yes,
like a disclaimer with Gemini.
Okay, Gemini, we get it.
And penny stock recommendation. And it always gives me like this weird, the biotech moonshot stock. Aptorum Group?
Oh yeah.
Aptorum Group.
Yeah.
LT Limited, APM.
APM.
Why it's entertaining and risky. It's a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company. Biotech penny stocks are often, dude, what does it say? Because I like the cannabis one.
Okay, we can do that. That was Sundial Growers.
What was that called?
APM.
APM.
Aptorum Group. It shot up. It's been kind of just under $1, and then July 15th, it shot.
Holy cow!
Yeah, it shot up $1 basically, which is like 94%.
Yeah,
it shot up.
Dropped.
Yeah,
$1.
Yeah, so it's at $1.71 right now. There's one employee.
There's one employee.
The CEO, founded in 2010, and it says employees 1.
How can you go public with?
I don't know. That might not be accurate.
Huh.
This is a UK company.
I'm out on them.
Okay.
What's the other one?
Sundial, SNDL. This one's down today, but you look at
over a month,
it's up almost 24%.
Yeah, 3 months is weird.
3 months. Oh yeah. Oh, it was up and then it kind of just flatlined.
Oh, look at year to date.
Oh, it's down year to date. Interesting. But I mean, the
But
last
it's on the rise, which means if we get in now,
this month, yeah, maybe this is the time to buy. Does it have a recommendation, or is this one too small for the recommendation thing? It doesn't. It doesn't say. Yeah.
no, yeah.
But if you scroll down to the bottom, there's a people also own, and there's a bunch of penny stocks down there, in mine at least.
Yeah. Tilray
Brands, which is only 69 cents right now.
Yeah.
63 cents. What is Centro? Centro Inc. is only 63 cents. That one is down over the last 3 months pretty significantly. Oh, it's down year to date 43%. 1 year is down 61%. All right, maybe we avoid that one. So yeah, there's Sundial.
yeah.
I mean, that was one of the recommendations. I mean, that was from what? That was a Grok recommendation.
Yeah. Let's do that.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right, so how much do we want to buy? You have how much? I'll do the same because I have a little bit more.
Let's just do $35.
35?
Yeah. And you have to tell me
so buy in
where to put that again.
dollars. So if you go to buy and then switch it to not shares, but you want to do dollars.
Wait, where? Here?
It's in.
Hold
Yeah,
on.
mine says buy in, and you can. What? Why does it look different? Mine says order type and then buy in dollars or shares.
Mine does not say that.
What? That's weird. Oh, you're on the wrong one. You're on the whatever that other one. SNDL.
Oh.
You're still on AppTorum.
Oh, because it said Sundial up top. Because I had searched.
Yeah, you got to click it. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
There we go.
Now we're all good.
Now, yeah, change that
Buy
from
in
shares to
dollars.
dollars. And we're going to do what? 35, you said?
35.
$35. So which is 22 shares.
I like it.
I like it too. Review order.
I tell people I have 22 shares and something.
That's right. So we got 22 shares in this company that we know nothing about and have done zero research on.
We've watched a line.
Yeah, we looked at a line and I'm like,
Look,
I feel good.
The whole point is that we're not doing research though.
Well, exactly. That's the point.
So
yeah, that's
we're
right.
good.
Okay. All right. Click.
I did it.
Oh, you already did it. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Bye. All right. $35 is
All
queued
right.
for market open.
All right. And
Sweet.
then I will do my AMD tomorrow.
Yes, you buy your AMD. I'm going to hold my Nvidia and we'll hold both of those and we'll track those over time and see which is the better buy for chip makers.
Cool.
AMD versus Nvidia. Okay. I guess we'll report back on the next video with how all this is going.
Sounds good.
Yeah. Cool.
All right.
Thanks for watching.